Hey, hello Kaushik. Thanks for taking the time out. Appreciate you taking and giving us your feedback how of your journey has been with Lean Six Sigma Pro. Uh, so Kaushik, you come from an
Yes, sir.
education industry, so maybe you could
Right, sir.
share some more details about yourself, what role you play, what experience you have, uh, before we get started with the actual feedback part of it.
Sure, sir. Good evening, Sangram, sir. Thanks for having me today. And myself, Kaushik, and I'm working in an education sector. So I have an experience of 10 months. So and this being my first sector where I'm working, I'm happy that I'm investing all my knowledge in my education sector in order to improve my efficiency. So coming to the basics, I have taken my training, that is Lean Six Sigma training, from Lean Six Sigma Pro. So you can ask me like from whom I got referred to. So uh, basically, I had an opportunity. I had an opportunity in order to do my internship. So I worked as an intern in Hector Beverages Private Limited, that is in situated in Kadkola, Mysore. So there for luckily I met one of the alumni of Lean Six Sigma Pro, that is Rahul sir. So I can say I'm lucky that I met him. So the HR asked Rahul sir to provide me some insights on the logistics sector there. So since I was interested in logistics, so I took all the insights from Rahul sir. So I had an opportunity to prepare an VSM, value stream mapping there. So me coming from an MBA background, so I had no background of Lean Six Sigma and what Lean Six Sigma is actually. So Rahul sir started explaining me all about the basics, and I started developing my interest on Lean Six Sigma. So day by day the interest started increasing. So basically what I did is I used to collect all the data of um, the timeline of the logistics actually. No one there has prepared a VSM before. So I got an opportunity there, and I had prepared this. And since then, okay, I got a feeling, I got an insight that okay, this Lean Six Sigma might help me in the future. So I spoke to Rahul sir. I used to frequently call him, and I got the contact and of Srinivas sir. So that is Lean Six Sigma Pro, and I joined in as online classes in the month of April 2020. So as of now, I have completed my green belt training, and I can proudly say I'm a green belt certified from Lean Six Sigma Pro.
Very interesting, Kaushik. So it is good that you got the trigger to learn more about this in the early sale of your life cycle. And
Yes,
yes,
sir.
education sector, I'm sure in the education sector also you would have seen many opportunities where you can implement the principles of Lean and Six Sigma. So
Right, sir.
very interesting about that. So how has
Yeah.
been the journey of the training part, if I want to ask it? It's all about being online. So was it effective? Uh, how did it go about? How was your overall experience in the training part of it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, and uh, during the initial stages, I was a bit nervous regarding this. We were not exposed to this all kinds of online training. So we were in a dilemma whether to start with online, or we can after this pandemic to in order to do the offline training. But I made up my mind and keeping all right, sir. Yeah, actually, I was talking about the online classes and how is it going to impact me. So is it gonna give me the 100% what I'm gonna give? So I kept all my hopes on Rahul sir and Srinivas sir, and I started with the online classes. And during my initial stages, I was a bit nervous, we were not exposed to these kind of online classes. But I can say that Srinivas made it look so easier to us actually. So he used to throw out some random questions, and he used to give that platform to ask any kinds of question, whether it might be a simple one or a very complex one. He used to give and he used to explain us. He used to teach us using some basic examples. So this way it all started, and we started being comfortable with the online classes. So on there was around three classes in a week. And every before the commencement of each session, he used to brush up the previous session's topics. So that helped us a very lot, because we were in our work, and we used to work from 9 to 5. And he understood that. He understood what's going on with all the employees there. So, and that helped us to know more and get more clarity on the topics on a daily basis.
Sure, very, very interesting. And how has the journey has been post your training? I'm sure you would have completed your Green Bill certification, but post your training, how it has been? Uh, are you still in touch with Srinivas sir? Are you still in touch with Lean Six Sigma Pro alumni? How do you keep yourself in line with what's happening in the industry, and how do you sharpen your knowledge that what you have got?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Of course, actually, we are in constant touch with Srinivas sir. So there is a WhatsApp group, so where Srinivas sir posts his questions on a daily basis. So on his tight schedule, also he makes some time to post some questions in the WhatsApp. And he makes some efforts to all the group members to answer it actually. So in this way, we are in constant touch, and we are learning on a daily basis actually. So in this way, like, we are able to learn new things. And the group members who are working in different sectors, they are sharing their insights, and they are sharing their questions, and which is helping us indirectly and directly as well. So this is how we are in contact touch with Srinivas sir. And coming to the question, how it has affected the whole vision has changed actually. The way we are the way we see things in an organization has changed, because there are few topics actually in Lean Six Sigma. And after knowing to know better on each and every day, it has opened our eyes, so it has to know the things actually. So it's good. And in our education sector, there are so many things that has to be in my workplace. There are so many things that has to be changed. So many things has to be optimized. So by using Lean Six Sigma, the green belt, all the topics, I'm able to do it fine, sir.
Sure, that's very interesting. That's very interesting to know. And I'm sure you are in the early stages of your
Right.
career. And if you get the broader vision, I'm sure your leadership at work would also be appreciative of what you're bringing to the table.
Exactly, sir. And one more thing, sir. I've told my zonal head knows no, and I've shared this my experience in Lean Six Sigma. So I have shared that I'm a green belt now, and he's very much okay, and he wants me to implement all those learnings and knowledge in my workplace. So I have got an opportunity now, so that I can get a broader vision.
That's very nice. That's very nice that your even your visibility up to your senior leadership in your organization has kind of improved because of this. That's very interesting to know.
Exactly, sir.
Very nice. Any specific feedback you would have for Lean Six Sigma Pro team? What we could improve to make this more engaging, more value adding to professionals and the Lean Six Sigma community at large?
We are getting what all we are required. We can get all the previous question papers, all the recorded videos in the website itself. And so the same question was asked previously by Srinivas sir, and the small feedback from the previous alumni actually made Srinivas sir to start a WhatsApp group. And this is one of the best thing what he has done to us actually, to his alumni. And yeah, actually, not so many organization would think about their alumni, but here the main concentration, the main aspect is to engage the alumni into this conversation. So this way they're doing best, and I think our organization, that is XRG or Lean Six Sigma Pro, will be doing great in the future days also.
Great. And I'm sure you would have aspirations to be a black belt certified, plus you would come across other friends
Yeah.
who might come to you and say, okay, what is Lean Six Sigma, and can you help us train? So, uh, what feedback you would give to them, how they can learn, and if they ask you where to go and get the certification done, what would be your feedback to them?
My first answer will always be if it is Lean Six Sigma, then it will be Lean Six Sigma Pro. So I'm thinking of sharing my experience, sharing my knowledge to my college, that is Ramaya Institute of Management. So I'm thinking of talking to my professors there, so that this XRG, this Lean Six Sigma Pro can help the budding MBA passed out students. So I'm thinking of referring XRG, that Lean Six Sigma, to my college, actually, the previous college, so that they will be exposed to the Lean Six Sigma at a very early stage, and they can start doing wonders in the future in their work field also.
Absolutely, absolutely. A very good thought, Kaushik. Always pay forward, right? So whatever we have benefited,
Yeah.
we extend it to the others. And what better place to start from the educational institute, right, where we learn about the other skills, and this dimension can also be complementary to all the other engineering knowledge or any other domain we
Right.
are having the skills. Excellent. Good to have you over here, Kaushik. And like you would have seen as well that this is not the last interaction. We from Lean Six Sigma Pro have a desire to ensure that we are in touch with our alumni, take their feedback on a continuous basis, and continuously improve ourselves as well.
Right.
So we will be in touch with you. Thanks for your feedback, and it was a pleasure talking to you, Kaushik. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Take care.